I have a Softskins. I think I did. And I'm gonna open it. And it has orange. I forgot what that is. And that. But I think this is a peach or something. But that's yogurt, pineapple, and some chocolate. Okay, here's the list. And here's our salad. Let's get them out. Okay. Here's the machine that makes the smoothies. And here's everything. Ah, that just went on my shoulder. And there's that. And you can store it from there. And there's everything else too. Let me get it. And now this is a smoothie set. And this is something you can get your smoothie with. And here's a smoothie cup. Look at that orange on it. That's a real bad one. Right, orange. I don't know. Okay. And now we have a little orange slice. And we have a pineapple. Look guys. That's a really smooth orange on the back. In the middle. And we also have, I guess it's some kind of plum or something.